How to log in to Liberty Bank mobile banking on iPhone. Hey everyone, this is Susan from Create Login and Delete, and now let's get started. So after installing Liberty Bank application on your phone, just tap on it and launch the app. Okay, wait for a while. Now you'll come to the verification process. Just make a check mark on verify if you are a human. Okay. Wait for a while again and you'll come to the main homepage of the bank's app. Now over here you have to enter your username and your password in order to log in. Now if you are a new customer here, just tap on New Customer Enrollment at the bottom. Now once you're on this page, you have to select any of these options, either if you want to register as an individual account or register as a business account. Now, if you forgot your username or password, you can see this option here. Just tap on it. Now, select any of these options that you want to recover. Either it's your username or your password. Now, wait for a while. Then, just tap on the account type that you are using. So, for instance, I'm going to tap on Personal and Business Account Holders. Now, once you are here, you have to fill in your details and then just simply tap on Continue. By following these steps, you will be given instructions in order to recover your username or password. So, this is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to like and subscribe.